Whether you are trying to achieve a personal or a professional goal, staying motivated can be extremely challenging, I know. And you're not alone. So in this video, I'm going to share tips on how you can stay motivated as well as achieve your goals even faster. Okay, so first you want to set specific and measurable goals. If you haven't seen my video on SMART goals, I recommend that you do so. But what you want to do is take those goals, break them down into smaller goals that are more achievable. What this does is help you track your progress to see how far you've come. Otherwise, how will you know when to celebrate? But just don't celebrate too soon or you'll end up looking like Boo Boo the Fool. Next, you want to use either a planner or a calendar. And what this is going to do is help you schedule your task and hold yourself accountable. But like I said in my last video, don't forget to schedule your most important tasks first, or you might forget what you need to do later and then you'll end up watching Netflix or Disney Plus. And no, I'm not speaking from experience. Third, what you want to do is take a break. You want to make sure that you give yourself time to recharge, relax, and then come back to your tasks more energized with more focus, because you don't want to burn yourself out. And lastly, celebrate your achievements, okay? Whether it's your favorite meal or taking a day off from work or school, don't forget to acknowledge and reward yourself for all the hard work that you've been putting in. Just don't go overboard with it unless you won the lottery. And in that case, don't forget to invite your boy. To recap, you want to set specific and measurable goals, okay? You want to use a calendar. You want to take breaks, and then you want to celebrate your achievements and all of your hard work. With that said, if you found anything in this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing so that you don't miss out on future content. And also it helps the algorithm when it comes to getting out to other individuals who are also interested in these types of videos. But with that said, I want to thank you for being here, because you could have been anywhere else in the world, but you're here with me, and I always appreciate that. As always, until next time,